Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Badai Kami Yakakam Tourism Uba Poling do Haba Ajengkren Cekila Patai Kubor Haba Yadei Bat Kishikurim Bajak Rangai Hakitan Soara Ulapan Pau Kajing Sngau Lingo Bas Ngau Kendit Bat Ongru Ba Ompat La Bantip Ya Ka Kadau Bakini Ki Arngut Kila Jak Rangai Bat Kajing Wat Benia Kadang Ya Cekmat Shu Uloong Baki Pulit Kajela Kiale Ban Persyang Ban Peni Ya Kabor Ban Wat Benia Abha Saya Kakurim Jong Uraja Raghuvanshi Ubalayo bantamno ya kamet yap jong u hinden kasngi kata ka arterik ubanai jerliau arhaja apusan ulo ongru bagi kendon kaan kin sapentikna baka kabaja hab ban pendrem bat ka hab ban ngat kat kum kaan
places Ras Lake and Sora now a sad episode took place there where they are demanding CBI inquiry into the incident. What is the feeling of the government?
Well, we are really shocked by what transpired. But in the same breath, let me also say this, that this incident was unprecedented. No such crime has ever taken place in the past. We do not know the full story as yet, and therefore we cannot pronounce the last word on what actually happened. Investigation is on, and the state police has put all its resources and manpower to ensure that one of the victims was actually located yesterday. Let me also say this, that we cannot jump the gun as far as the investigation process is concerned. Fundamentally, the primacy of the law will ensure that whatever happened, the guilty will be brought to book. As far as the tourism sector is concerned, the fact that till today a gentleman from Shillong has been missing in Thailand for the last 8 months or so does not mean that Thailand is no longer safe for travelers. All tourist destinations have this one facet to it, which is that because of the rush of tourists, there are possibilities of instances of accidents, instances of even crime being committed, but that is just a dot in an entire landscape. It does not speak anything about Meghalaya, because from the testimonies of people, YouTubers who have come forward, all of these, one was a lady from mainland India and one was a European traveller to Sora, have testified to the fact that Meghalaya is a safe and tourist-friendly state. And therefore, one incident, I do not belittle the enormity of the loss to the family, but one incident does not mean that you paint an entire state with the same brush. It is an isolated incident. We do not know, and I do not want to surmise anything because investigations are still on, and one of the victims is yet to be traced. But all I can say is that with the growing, with tourism growing as a sector, we are bound to have more footfalls. We have launched the Tourist Buddies projects today. Guides are present in all tourist destinations in Sora, but then the government cannot compel travelers to actually use their services. They have help and not taking their help as well. So that is all I can say. Yeah.